Hey everybody, it's Miss Christina, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your own homemade ice cream. All you need is about 5 minutes, a few simple ingredients, and some muscle. The ingredients you'll need are some half and half, vanilla, sugar, some ice cream salt, and some ice. You'll also need some measuring cups and measuring spoons, and 2 Ziploc bags, 1 small and 1 large. Start off by pouring 1 cup of half and half into your small Ziploc bag. I'm going to make this easier by putting my bag in a cup. That way I don't have to hold it. And I'm going to try not to spill. Now I'm going to take my vanilla and add 1.5 teaspoons into that same bag. There's 1 and a half. And now I'll add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay. Smells good. Alright, now I'm going to just take that out and seal it up, making sure to get all of the air out. And I want to make sure that this is completely sealed. Now I'm going to take my large Ziploc bag and I'm going to fill it about halfway with ice. And I think I actually made a little bit more ice. So I will be right back. I have refilled my bowl. Got some more. And that looks just about right. A couple more. Okay. And to that ice, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of ice cream salt. Pour it right in. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to put my small bag inside the big bag, and I'm going to just check one more time to make sure it is sealed up. Okay, now I'm going to seal the big bag. Try to get the air out. Alright, now this is where those muscles come in. I am going to shake this bag for about 5 minutes, and eventually you will see these ingredients in the small bag turn into ice cream. And it's already like super cold, so I'm gonna wrap this in a t-shirt. You could also use a towel. I just couldn't find a towel here, so I am using the t-shirt instead. And that should help. All right, let's go. I think it's been about 5 minutes, so let's check on our ice cream. See how it turned out. I don't know if you can see this, but my bag seems to have leaked a little bit, but that's okay. If you do this, maybe make sure to get like a good bag. The kind with the zipper may be better, just to make it extra secure. But it has definitely thickened, and it definitely looks like ice cream. So let's open it up and see how it tastes. That's good. You can eat it right out of the bag if you want to, or you can put it in a dish and add your favorite toppings. What kind of toppings do you like in your ice cream? Caramel syrup, or sprinkles, or fruits? I like all of those. Today, I think I'll just add some chocolate syrup. And some sprinkles. And there you have it. Homemade ice cream in about 5 minutes. using just a few different ingredients. The only thing left to do is eat it. So I'm gonna do that now, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!